Okay mga kaibigan, we are here now live here in JC Premier Business International, Malaysia. We'll try to click my free food cart na maraming taong nagdududa kung totoo ang JC Premier na may free food cart na pinamimigay. Aaron, hawakan mo to. And this is my account. I have several accounts here. I will open my primary account to show people, sa mga taong nagdududa kung ang JC Premier Business International ay nagsisinungaling. Show this account, okay? I'll click to my incentive. This is real time, okay? So it's expired, it expired, no? I will log in again. This is how to log in to this account. I have several accounts. It's like logging in to Facebook. Okay, that's the page. Ito po ang page ng JC Premier. Ito, Jonathan Sok, President CEO. Nandito makatandang, Vice President CFO. I will go. Pakita mo to. Okay, show this one. This is the system. Papakita lang doon. No? And show the people that there are witnesses here. Sige, ayan. Witnesses here, we're attending the orientation, success orientation by Romano Vasquez. Okay. I'll click to my primary account and then I'll click first to incentive. Incentive, nandiyan lahat ng freebies, lahat ng libre. Now, as you see, my friends in Facebook, ito yung sales match history, platinum. Travel incentive that we get travel for free here. We get also deal incentive, okay, for cars ito. Lifestyle incentive, cash incentive, and I will go to franchise incentive para i-click yung sinasabing free food card ko na naman. Pangalawa ko na po ito sa JC Premier. Okay, na hindi na po ako maglalabas ng 150,000 kundi makukuha ko libre. I will click franchise incentive. Okay, I have several accounts. Accounts ko po lahat sa JC Premier. I will click my primary account na nakahit na po ng free food card. I will view it. Yan. Nakita niyo po mga kaibigan. Free franchise food card. Hindi na po ako maglalabas sa 150,000 pesos para magkaroon nito. Bakit? Naka-invite lang po ako ng 10 tao na nag-member or nag-purchase ng platinum package sa JC Premier. I'll show you. I will not show you anymore the names of the people who join. So, yun po. 10 yan na na-invite ko. Saan ko po na-invite? Sa Facebook lang din po. Yung may mga pangarap din sa buhay na gustong magkaroon ng negosyo at magbago ang buhay. So now, show Aaron. Ito po. Avail, avail. Pag kinlik ko po itong avail, live po ito ha. Ibig sabihin, real time. Pag kinlik ko po yung avail, sige, abangan mo. Aaron ha, abangan mo. I will click avail. Ito na, I will click avail. Avail. Ano nakalagay? Are you sure? See? Are you sure you want to avail your free franchise? Please note that this action cannot be reversed. Okay, ano? Ano, kiklik ko na ba mga friends? Pakita mo na.
Yes!
Ano? Show them, show them. Kiklik ko na?
Yes!
Okay, yes, yes. Okay, okay, okay. Focus there. Focus there. Okay, yeah, okay, yes, no, yes, yes, no, yes. Okay, yes, I'll click it now. Click!
Yes!
Okay, congratulations, you have successfully availed your free franchise.
Yeah.
You can now avail your free franchise food card. Thank you so much, JC Premier Business International. JC Premier Business International, totoo ka. Dahil may dalawa na akong food card sa'yo.
Wow.
Tatatluhin ko to, baka 10 ko pa to. Depende. Kaya, you can now avail your free franchise. Pag uwi ko sa Pilipinas, i-claim ko yan. Ihahanap ko kagad ng pwesto yan. Kung saan pwesto, hindi ko pa alam. Pagdarasal ko yun. Okay, so now, you see, ganun pala kadali magkaroon ng franchise food card sa JC Premier. 10 direct lang. Ibig sabihin, 10 tao na imbitahan mo na gusto rin magbago ang buhay na sumali. Nag-gets mo? Okay? So, itutuloy ko na po ang success orientation dito sa Malaysia. Signing out muna ako.